everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to explain a problem on total losses of pre-stress. In a post-tension beam of length 12 meter, a cable is laid symmetrically with its central 6-meter length horizontal and the two straight end portions sloping up at an angle with the horizontal whose tangent is equal to 0.075. The cable is tensioned by jacking at one end and is anchored at the remote end of the beam. The stress at the jacking end is 1040 Newton per mm square. The wobble effect is 0.004 per meter. Coefficient of friction is 0.4. Calculate the stress in the cable at the remote end and the 2 points where the alignment of the cable changes. What is the percentage loss of pre-stress at the anchored end? Let me explain you about the problem. That is, here we have a post-tension beam. Its length is 12 meter, but you can see the variation here. It's a linear variation. You should see the red line here. It's a linear variation from this end to this end, or up to 3 meter. It is a linear varying portion. Next, after 3 meter, from here to here, it's a horizontal or a straight portion. It is of 6 meter. Again, after 6 meter, there is a variation or inclination of 3 meter. So, the cable profile is like this. It's a linear variation profile. Okay. So, they have mentioned about it. The cable at the center, it is 6 meter length. It is horizontal, and the two straight portion end portions are sloping, means whatever I have explained just now, they are talking about it, whose horizontal angle with the horizontal whose tangent is 0.075. They have given the alpha value. Alpha is 0.075. Next is the jacking end. Jacking at one end means they are telling it is pulled. It is being pulled in the one end, and anchored means anchored at the remote end means it is fixed. Okay, jacking means it is pulled, anchored means it is fixed at the remote end. These are the two things. And next is the stress at the jacking end. That is, only initial stress is given. They have given only the initial stress, and using these following data we should calculate. In the calculation we have a two part. Okay, it is something like calculate the stress in the cable at the remote end. That is one portion. Calculate the stress in the cable at the remote end is one portion, and the 2 points where the alignment of the cable changes. That means changes means where the portion wise loss should be calculated. Like this question is divided it into two parts. Okay, let me show the solution. Okay, before showing this, what is this kink? First kink and the second kink means slope. This is a first slope, or this is a second slope, or you can see a L shape variation here. So this is called the kink. Okay, this is a kink, this is a anchored end. Let's start with the solution. The solution is, first is loss of pre-stress at first kink. How much is the loss in the first king we should calculate, and before that how should be the calculation should be done is, here we have three portions, that is from here to here it is 3 meter, this is one portion. Again from here to here it is one more portion, and again the full length is the third portion. Like that in all the three portions we should do the calculation, or we should find out the losses. So we have considered the first portion. In the first portion alpha equal to 1 into slope. We are 1 into slope means here only one kink is there, so I have taken it as only 1 into slope. We are consider only the first kink, so it is 1 into slope. So the alpha is, the slope value is already given, that is 0.075 is a slope value, alpha is 0.075. The first length value is 3 meter, so I have considered x is equal to 3 meter. We know the loss due to friction formula is loss equal to P naught into mu alpha plus kx. This is a formula for the friction. So P naught is the initial stress which is already given. So 1040 is a P naught value. Mu is 0.4 into alpha is 0.075 plus k is wobble effect 0.004 into x is 3 meter. X and alpha is very important in this problem. Pay some attention here. So loss is 43.68 Newton per mm square. Where is the loss? At the 3 meter distance, this much is a loss. So the stress at the first kink is, what was the initial stress? Initial stress was 1040 minus 43.68 is a loss. So the stress at the first kink is 996.32 Newton per mm square. This much is a loss at 3 meter distance. The next one is loss of pre-stress at second kink. Where is the second kink? You can see here the second kink is at this portion. So what is the distance? From here to here we should calculate the distance, that is 3 meter plus 6 meter. Totally put together it is of 9 meter. How many kinks are there? It is still it is only one kink. Don't get confused. You can clearly see only one kink is there. From here to here, till here it get cut. So from here to here it is 9 meter. So only one kink is there. So alpha is 1 into slope. X is 9 meter. We know the values. P naught 1040, mu 0.4 into alpha 0.075 plus k 0.004 into x is 9 meter. So the loss is 68.64 Newton per mm square is a loss. Okay, where is the loss? This much is, or 68.64 Newton per mm square loss is at 9 meter distance. So the stress at the second kink is initial stress 1040 minus 68.64. The loss stress is 971.36 Newton per mm square is a loss, or it is a stress at the second kink. So now it's a final one, that is the loss of pre-stress at remote end. This end is called as a remote end. What is the distance of the remote end from here to here? It is 12 meter. So the x value is 12 meter, but when we reach to the remote end we will be having two kinks. Don't forget that, that is important. How many kinks are there? Two kinks will come when we reach to 12 meter. So the first one is here, the second one is here, first kink and the second kink. So we are taking these two kinks 2 into slope. 2 into 0.075 is 0.15. Alpha is 0.15, x is 12 meter. Substitute in the loss due to friction formula. P naught 1040 mu 0 0.4 into alpha 0.15 plus K 0.004 into X is 12 meter. So loss is 112.32 Newton per mm square. This much is a loss in the remote end. You can observe the loss. The first loss was 43, the second loss was 68, the third loss was 112.32. As we move from left end to the right end or from the initial point to the remote end, this loss keeps on increasing. Okay, so the stress at the remote end is how much is 1040 is the initial stress minus loss 112.32. The stress at the remote end is 927.68 Newton per mm square. This much is a stress at the remote end. Okay, so the final percentage loss, here this value is in terms of stress. Now we should calculate it in percentage. So take the loss 112.32 into initial stress is 1040 into 100 will give you 10.8%. What is this 10.8%? This is nothing but percentage of loss at the remote end. Okay, hope you have understood. Thank you.